A green anaconda. 8 meters long, 200 kilos of pure muscle. It doesn't chase, it doesn't rush. Only its eyes break the surface, shimmering like dark gems above the waterline. Here, death arrives in silence, through patience. How can something so immense vanish completely into the river's calm? Yet this is only one predator among many in the Amazon, a living labyrinth where every hunter, from the black jaguar on land to the harpy eagle above, plays its part in the endless circle of life and death. The Amazon kingdom of silent hunters. Across 6 million square kilometers of tangled forest, every creature is armed with something: claws, venom, or intelligence. Yet few are as feared or as mysterious as the black jaguar. At dawn in the Brazilian Amazon, mist still clings to the leaves. A shadow slips along a muddy riverbank. It is a jaguar, Panthera onca, born with a rare genetic mutation called melanism, a cloak of black that hides faint rosettes beneath the fur. Only about 1 in 20 jaguars carries this gene, but in the dense rainforest, it is the ultimate advantage. The power to vanish. The black jaguar hunts alone. Each step is measured, soundless. In a world where sight fails, hearing and scent take command. Inside its mouth, the Jacobson's organ tastes, the air detecting sweat, blood, even fear. When a red brocket deer or a peccary bends to drink, the strike comes like thunder. Its bite over 1,300 pounds per square inches, the strongest of all big cats, crushes skulls in a single snap. A large kill can feed it for a week. In this world, survival isn't about how often you hunt, but how perfectly you do it. As the sun climbs, the forest wakes. Voices echo howlers, macaws, insects, a living storm of sound. Beneath the surface of the Purus River, the water looks calm, hiding something vast. The green anaconda, Eunyctus murinus, the heaviest snake on earth. It is an ambush hunter. No chase, no hiss, just stillness. Body half buried in mud and weeds, it waits. When the world's largest rodent, the capybara, steps into the shallows, the water ripples once, then explodes. Coils tighten with crushing force over 90 pounds per square inches, stopping blood flow, cracking bone. No venom, only muscle. Once it swallows its prey, the anaconda vanishes for weeks, slowing its heartbeat to half pace. Saving energy, a master of metabolic restraint. Females grow almost twice the size of males during mating season. As many as 10 males wrap around one female in a breeding ball that can stretch for meters, a living knot twisting through the flooded forest. High above, light pierces only in scattered beams. Here reigns the harpy eagle, Harpia harpygia, the most powerful raptor in the Americas. 2-meter wings, talons curved like knives, strong enough to crush bone. It doesn't hunt in open skies, but through the dense canopy, steering with precision between trunks. Its vision is 8 times sharper than ours. It can spot a monkey 200 meters away. When it strikes, there is no warning, only silence, speed, and finality. One blow, and the forest is quiet again. Where harpies disappear, forests change. Without them, monkeys multiply unchecked, stripping young trees bare. Every predator here is a pillar. Remove one, and the whole structure trembles. On the forest floor, another army marches. Hundreds of thousands of driver ants, Eceton burchelli, move like a river of life. They build no permanent home. Each night they weave a living nest, thousands of bodies linking together into a hanging mass. Individually, they are fragile. Together, unstoppable. Biologists call it a superorganism, a colony acting as one body, one mind. It is evolution's proof that cooperation can be as lethal as power. At dusk, light fades to gold. Raindrops fall through the canopy, blending with the drone of frogs and cicadas. On the river, crimson eyes break the surface caimans, patient as statues. Below them, piranhas stir. Despite the legends, they are not maniacs of the river. Most feed on carrion, cleaning what the jungle discards. Without them, decay would choke the waterways. Even scavengers have purpose, Every predator, strong or small, keeps the Amazon alive. In the Amazon, life and death are not enemies, they are partners. Every hunter, from jaguar to anaconda to harpy, plays a note in nature's endless symphony. And within that music, humanity, our clever, restless species, must learn to listen, not to dominate. The forest still breathes, the river still moves, and somewhere in the dark, the eyes of the hunter are watching.